A man purchased a bag of rice containing 70 kg for rupees 175. He sold it at the rate of rupees 9 for 3 kgs. His gain percentage is now for 70 kgs, the cost price is rupees 175. Now, it is mentioned here the person sells it for rupees 9 for 3 kg. 9 for 3 kg. That means we can say for 1 kg, it will be 9 upon 3, that is 3 rupees. So for 70 kg, the selling price will be 70 multiplied by 3, that is 210. So we can easily find out the profit in this case. Profit will be 210 minus 175, that is 35. Okay. So profit percentage, the formula is profit, that is 35 upon cost price, that is 175 into 100. This gets reduced to 1 by 5, and therefore answer comes out as 20 percentage.